Okay, YouTube land, we're back with the other impala. And we're going to do the cabin air filter. Because I am really curious to see how bad is it going to be. I expect hell on earth. Let's see. That's an AC cap. Let's see if I remember correctly. It's this clip here. I've got the wrong screwdriver. Sorry, it's nighttime. I'm just really want to get this thing put in there. And why wouldn't that go launch into Narnia? Oh, god damn it. There's that one, and yeah, I don't know where that one screw went to. Well, cap. And this guy right here, which is, again, well and thoroughly caked in there. I'm sorry, this is shitty angling. What do I gotta do right now? Okay. That one I'm not losing. Good. Now we just gotta separate the molding a little bit and lift. Oh no. Oh god, no. No. Oh my. Oh good. Okay, let me get the air filter. Wow. Okay, airflow downward. Wow. So that explains. Oh, look, all the ants that are living in here. They actually are living all in there. Well, now I know where they're living. Time to evict them. Yep, there's an ant's nest in there. And in here. Any more little ant nests in here? They didn't make it inside, looks like. So that's good. Put this nice new one in there. Oh, come on. Motherfucker. Let's see, airflow down. Oh my goodness. Alright, I gotta balance you guys out for a second. That should work. Perfect. Happy mosquitoes. Let's see. You went like like that. I believe it's a yes. Yes, it was. So now that thing not installed right, it was an ant colony. I got bitten by another mosquito. Fuck these little bastards. Ow, ow. Get this guy back in. Which I'm gonna have to find a new one of those little push tabs. I think I got a few laying around the house. And I put the other nub right there. That's a nice breeze. paper. Okay, come on. Why won't that piece go in there? It's not centered up right, that's why. Okay, there we go. I guess it's not one of my quality works, but yay! And next up the, oh wait, this right thing does not even have, I bought that for no good reason. Let's see, oh my god, look at that. That's ribbon from a cassette tape. Okay, let's tip it over. Yeah, look at all the ants. Oh my god. Yes, was the actual ant colony. Look at them all. It was ripped too, god damn. Although that could just be from me hitting on the ground. Yeah, look at the little tiny ants. Oh. I'm kind of kicking myself right now because I bought the cabin air, which this thing does not even need. I'm also doing a little work on the interior again. Hold out the radio because I don't like how that one's sticking out. You gotta figure out how to reset it. I also gotta rewire this headlight. Apparently, Monte Carlos and Impalas have different styling wiring. But I digress. At least we got the new cabin air filter in, which should clean up the air. And now we got the ants to fuck off. Should be better. Let's see, is there any more in there? There might be a small nest in there too. Which means I'm going to pull this side off. We'll do that later. Anyway, quick vid. Quick little action. Because I'm still getting eaten alive by fucking ants. Oof. Oh well. Oh, that's right. Put this guy back on. Where's the... There it goes. Okay. I might have a bad angle there. Sorry. Yeah. I got a cabin air filter. Christ almighty, that was bad. I expected it as much, but still surprising. Return this one later. Troy. That one might have to go in here. I'm still debating on it. Anyway, thanks for watching.